Want to change your Facebook name but can't find the option? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change your Facebook profile name using the latest Facebook app update. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android device. You can also follow these steps on the Facebook website. Tap your profile picture in the top corner. Then tap your name to open your profile page. You might notice options like name pronunciations or nicknames, but the option to edit your main Facebook name isn't available here. So go back to the Facebook home screen and tap the search icon at the top. Type Settings and tap Search. From the results, open General Account Settings. This is a quick shortcut that takes you directly to the account management section. Next, tap See More, then select Account Center. Under Account Center, tap Personal Details. Then choose Profiles and select your Facebook profile. Now you'll see the Name option. Tap on it and enter your new first name, middle name, or last name. Review the changes and follow the on-screen instructions to save your updated Facebook name. Keep in mind that Facebook usually allows name changes only once every 60 days, so make sure your new name is correct before confirming. And that's it.